Hello everyone, so in this video I'm doing a unboxing of a gaming headphone, or more like a gaming headset, and this is made by Koss, and it's their open back gaming headphone. I think it's a model number is let me open it up and check it out. It's the GMR-545-AIR, and it is a stereo gaming headset. There's no fancy software support like the Logitech G933 that I have. But the reason I'm getting this is because the G933 that I had actually it's too bulky. So I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit after I open the packaging. But so this is what I received. I ordered directly from Koss on their website. So a little card with the founder's picture, and then something that says thank you for your support. Okay, and of course a nice sticker from Koss. And let's open up the package and take a look. So the reason I got this one is because I believe the driver is similar to their popular Koss Porta Pro stereo headset, which I also have. So this is the Porta Pro. I actually love this headset a lot because the sound quality is actually amazing for a $40 headphone. The only downside is if I'm going to use it for gaming, it doesn't have a microphone. So I have to do this little, I have to put a budget microphone right next to my mouth while I'm playing Overwatch to pretend that this is a gaming headset. But the sound quality, even though this is a stereo microphone, is excellent, especially in Overwatch, because their program actually supports surround sound with a stereo headset, and that is the reason I got this open back headset, because I want to replace my current G933 gaming headset. This headset is it's very nice, except it's super bulky, and it's quite hot if you wear it for a long time during gaming. And the microphone quality also on this gaming headset is not very good. It's like very mediocre headset. It's very mediocre microphone from this G933. So I don't quite like it. That's why I'm replacing it. Even though this is most convenient setup with a stereo with a wireless USB dongle right over here. So basically, you plug this in, you open the headphone, and it connects automatically. Now for this one, they actually have a few different designs. They have a few 545 designs. So this one is open air and with a regular headphone jack. So two headphone jacks, one for microphone and one for the headphone. They also have the USB version, and also they have a closed back design with a regular headphone jack and the USB connection. I choose the regular one because it works the most convenient, and you know, it's very close to my I'm very close to my PC, so I can just plug this onto my PC and it should work very nicely. So let me open up this packaging, and I'm actually gonna do some actual gaming and then give you guys my impression comparing the Porta Pro that I had with this microphone, with this headphone, as well as the Logitech G933, which was my default gaming headset until just a couple days ago, because it's just too bulky and too hot to wear for a long time. So this one is open air, and the reason I chose open air is because it gives more of a realistic sound. It's more immersing when you're gaming, and you know, I don't live with a roommate or anything like that, so the open air really doesn't bother anybody. And another advantage is when my wife's talking, I'll be able to hear her, so she wouldn't get mad when I'm playing video games. So there are many advantages to the open air design. So over here on the top, you have all your standard. So this looks like a direct connection, and this one looks like if you actually want to use a headset, there's the little microphone that you plug over there, and then of course the connection is down here, the two-prong connection, one for headphone and one for microphone. Very well, and the headset actually adjusts very nicely to the location that you want, which is a huge plus, because on my G933 the headphone adjustment is very limited. So when I open this up, like this is like it doesn't really stay in place when you try to adjust it, so it's pretty much useless. Another reason I don't really like the G933. Okay, let's actually open it up and see the actual microphone. So here are some user manual and warranty information, I think. Packaging's aside, and right off the bat I can tell you this is very light microphone. So I'm gonna get my scale and weight. Which I think would be a huge plus for long time gaming. So this weighting at only 168 grams, super light. Now let's take a look at my G933 at a whopping 375 grams with battery. That's almost twice as heavy, and of course sweat a lot if you're wearing a closed back heavy headphone. Okay, so take a look at the actual design. Very comfortable. The cushion material, this looks like synthetic leather, and inside is actually red fabric. Feels like velvet kind of a fabric, and of course open back. So you can tell from the closed back design, the open back actually have open pores on the outside of the microphone. And in terms of adjustability, like this is actually spring loaded. So if you actually wear it on the head, let me actually just wear it on the head and tell you guys what I think. First I need to find out which side is the right side. And it doesn't really it doesn't really tell me. Hard to say, so just gonna give it a try. Wow. So you feel nothing when you actually wear this headphone, like absolutely nothing. It's like and of course I can still hear the environment because it's an open back, just like the Porta Pro. I have high hopes for this, so I'm actually gonna take it over to my computer and do some gaming and let you guys know what I think of the sound quality. I'm also gonna record some microphone voices recordings so you guys can hear and compare and see which option gives the best recording quality. Okay, and but right off the bat, the spring-loaded design, it's excellent because I think it's great for long-term durability, because on the Logitech G933 it's not a spring design, and actually on the top it already opened up a couple times, like especially over here you can see the glue is already like running off the top, because every time I open it up, especially if you have a large head, this thing is very prone to cracking on the top part. So be aware of that if you are thinking about getting the G933. Okay. Alright, so that should sum up this quick unboxing. So I'm gonna go over to my computer and do some gaming, and I will keep you guys updated. And just as an add-on, so just to show you guys how the microphone with the with the actual connector mounts onto the headset. So basically you mount it over there, and then of course it have to be put in front and adjust it. So you can mount it very nicely, very close to the best area for speaking. And this actual cord is really long. This is, I think, a 10-foot cord. They also have a short cord without the microphone connection. And this one should be, let's see, this is a 3-foot cord. Great for, I would say, great for just regular music listening instead of gaming. It also have a inline control right over here. I think the only thing it have is play and pause, because I only have one clickable button, so keep that in mind. But still, this is great. Great to have 2 extra options for music playing. So as you guys can see, the headphone is back into the box. The reason being, after a few rounds of testing while I was playing Overwatch, the headphone, the sound quality, it's just not good. The game sounded very mushy, and the headphone, while it's a innovative removable, detachable design, actually moves around during gaming. So it's really hard to position the headphone at the place you want. And also, this little spring-loaded piece, while at first it looks kind of cool, but when you actually wear it on the head, it keeps pulling your headphone up, and which in turn, after a little bit, it feels uncomfortable. So, but I think the major reason I have to return it, put it back into the box and return it, is the sound quality. It's just not nearly half as good as the Koss Porta Pro. The Koss Porta Pro have very clearly defined lows and highs. It sounded crystal clear, and this thing just sounds mushy. I don't think they are the same drive they're using on the 2 headsets, on the 2 headphones. So for that reason, I have to return it, and I would say stay away from this gaming headset. Maybe the reason there isn't much review or there isn't much praise about this headset is because it doesn't sound any good. So I think I'm gonna stick with the Koss Porta Pro setup with a little cheap headphone on the side. It works just fine. And I'm gonna sell my Logitech G933. So I hope this review helps you guys on deciding which headphone to get, if you're also, in the market looking for a gaming headset. And thank you so much for watching, and take care. This is the budget microphone mounted right next to my mouth and on my Koss Porta Pro. This is the cheapest gaming setup. And this is the onboard microphone from the Logitech G933 gaming headset. And this is the most expensive setup with wireless gaming support, and also the surround sound technology with the Logitech gaming software. And this is the voice recorded from the Koss open back gaming headset, model number GMR-545-AIR.